Okay, guys, here we go. Understand the rules, you find out. Please listen to me. Keep yourself protected. If I say stop, please stop. If you want to touch now, God bless.
Here we go. Main event of the evening. Champion Changran Koren will defend his belt against Rabindra Dant. This is a fight that's been waiting to happen. A lot of trash talk has gone back and forth between these two men. And finally, we're a few moments away from Mark Goddard making this fight official. Here we go. Round number one. Dant in the white trunks, champ in the black and gold. A lot of questions are going to be answered here, my friend.
Again, a story of opposite stances. Oh! Chungreng charges in.
You know, it's interesting, in the fight against Muhammad Farad, we saw Farad get a fair amount of success on his feet earlier on. I mean, before Changran decided to take him down in Donkey Kong punching. But
well, I've studied both these guys, and they absolutely have a mirrored life story and a mirrored skill set. It's like Chungreng versus Chungreng or Rabindra versus Rabindra. These guys are so evenly matched that it's going to be so tough to decide. Oh man!
Nice entry by Changran Koren. Comes over with the right hand, and good reversal by Rabindra Dant. He knew this was coming. He's trained for it. But what remains to be seen is the strength. His corner tells me that he's got a great strength. Oh, straight into mount.
Rabindra's gone.
He's got the mount here, and look at the movement. It's still early in the fight. And Changran Koren, though, is eating a couple of shots. He's eating a lot of shots. Oh, a lot of shots. Rabindra Dant is teeing off on Changran Koren. Changran doing a good job defending this. But there's only so much you can do.
Rabindra has unleashed the beast in him.
The chin on Changran Koren, though. And look at that, the awareness. He's got a hold of that leg.
The right leg of Rabindra Dant. Oh!
Look at that again, trying to turn it around, but Rabindra Dant with superior positioning. Landing those shots to the side of the head, controlling his posture.
Well, that's exactly the same
thing that Changran normally does.
And he's been doing it in the last 4 fights against Kanto.
Oh, look at the welt that's formed on the right-hand side of Changran's face. Man, he's taken a lot of shots.
Changran looks rocked.
Oh, no, Changran looks a little hurt still. He's still a little hurt because Rabindra Dant landed at least 20 or 30 big shots, and props to him. And again, man, there we go. We've never seen Changran Koren being Changran Koren, because it's like a verb at this point.
He's getting outclassed now.
He's flattened him out in front of his corner, and now big shots here. Big shots. Changran Koren is in trouble early on in this round. It's just the first round. He's taken so much punishment, and that's what we said. I talked about it. Wrestlers like Changran Koren have not spent. They don't like to be on their backs. This is a different position for him. It's different to see how he's going to react. And Dant is having his way with him because the amount of punishment he's taken.
Let me tell you something.
Oh, this fight is going to be over anytime now. The kind of punches. Referee Mark Goddard.
Team actually manifested this. They made a rap video wherein Rabindra is knocking out Changran Koren.
It's not over yet. It's not over yet. He's still in it. But Changran Koren has taken so much damage that Rabindra Dant he's holding on to the right hand, and he's trying to get up, but Rabindra Dant is trying to choke him out. I don't know what he's trying to do. The desperation move here from Changran Koren, very smart, because he was almost finished.
It's been for Rabindra Dant.
My God, dominant is an understatement, man.
He's known as Dant shot for a reason. Oh,
look at that reversal!
It's
return fire from the champion. This fight is far from over, my friend. I mean, you never know.
You never know.
It's the amount of action that's happened in the first minute, in the first 3.5 minutes, and he's trying his best to drag him down. No, but you know what? It's part of the sport. Sometimes you use it to your advantage.
Changran fighting back now in the same manner as Rabindra did.
Changran, though, what a heart of a champion. He took a pounding.
He goes in for the double leg.
He's battered and busted up, but now he gets good defense, good hips from Rabindra Dant. And man, the right-hand side of Changran's face is busted up. Good trip from Rabindra. Oh, reversal!
That scramble.
Man,
Oh,
again, Rabindra Dutt again. And
Oh.
this is what I mean. Changran Koren is so tough, but Rabindra Dutt is boring.
we are yet to see a knockout tonight, and this could be it.
Man.
Both these guys are swinging for the fences.
No, the damage that Changran Koren has taken so far, and the bombs that Rabindra Dutt is throwing at him.
Rabindra looks fresh.
Oh, beautiful. Caught him with the left coming in, and Changran sloppy trying to land a big overhand right on him. And his corner smartly says, don't swing wild.
What a beautiful performance in round number 1 by Rabindra Dutt.
What a round and what a way to start off the championship fight. Incredible, incredible.
We have never seen doing anybody doing this to Changran Koren.
That's what we talked about. We talked about the fact that, maybe Dutt had a point. Maybe Changran Koren's road has been against a lot of great
Let's
former
look at the
fighters.
action replay.
And Dutt immediately, he got taken. Changran tried to trip him. Dutt reversed position. And this was the barrage of those strikes on the ground. There were at least 30 unanswered shots. And every time Dutt got position, he landed punishment. I almost thought the fight was over here. Another 10 seconds and referee Mark Goddard would have called it off.
And that's Changran Koren fighting back.
And Changran, though, that's the warrior spirit within him. He's got so much of fire. He's never going to quit, and he's a champion for a reason. But I won't lie, that was a brutal round, a tough round to watch, because Changran's eye is swollen up now. He's got a little bit of a hematoma on the right hand side.
Get a grip of that corner. I don't want that to happen again.
And look at that.
Shit show.
Changran Koren is breathing a little heavily.
Turn around.
He definitely looks rocked.
Mate, this is the damage. This is the damage quotient now, because he's not sprightly. You can see he's flat-footed right now, and he's not moving as well. I mean, you never know. It's too early to tell. This is a championship fight, and Rabindra Dutt is ready for 5 rounds. But it's the amount of damage that Changran took in the first round was something else, man. You can see that he's shaking off that leg with one kick. He's trying to wade in with some punches, but Rabindra Dutt sees it coming. Dutt now for a takedown of his own in his own corner. Changran looking for submission. He's trying to lock his hands underneath and look for a choke. Oh, he might have. We can't really see here. You can see he's trying to squeeze onto his neck. And Rabindra Dutt, though, he's almost passed into side control. Almost.
Well, if Changran loses tonight,
and there you go. And again, he's holding onto an arm here. He was trying to look for a Kimura, and he's now in a much more dominant position. This is a weird position for Changran Koren, because he can't really do a lot with that arm there, trapped. Big shots, and here it goes. We continue. And he's in a bad space. 3 minutes, 40 seconds to go, and he's not in his corner.
well, if Changran Koren loses tonight, he'll be the first Indian to lose his MFN title.
Man, it's just something.
Quiet. Don't talk to me.
Oh, big slip from Dutt, and Changran Koren capitalizes on this position. Oh man, Dutt slipped over the top. Here we go. Dutt now reverses it. But Changran Koren back on with that pressure. Don't ever count him out of a fight. This is a tough, grueling fight. We knew this was going to be a war. But Rabindra Dutt certainly getting the better of Changran Koren so far. His corner is screaming something called UP style. I don't know what that means yet.
Or maybe it's the Yuki style, because Yuki's in his corner.
Oh, they're referring.
We've got his teammate Yuki in his corner.
Yeah, it's Yuki style. I thought UP style, like Uttar Pradesh style. That makes much more sense. But again, Rabindra Dutt again in a good position. Oh, big elbows. This is a bad spot. Very bad spot for Changran Koren.
Kind of a crucifix.
And Changran Koren trying to change position. Man, the heart of the champion is something to admire, because he's trying so hard. He's trying so hard to get control of this situation. Changran Koren taking a breather here. He's a little sneaky, Ravindra Dutt. Tried to get a switch here. Here we go. Changran Koren though, looking to get a better position. Oh, big shots.
Big shots.
Ravindra Dutt. Ravindra moving his head very well though. Gets back to his feet.
Changran yet to do any damage to Ravindra.
Oh. Very nice by Changran Koren. Reverses that position and now starts a barrage of his own strikes.
Starts pounding.
That's the Donkey Kong punches. Ravindra Dutt though. Oh, reverses position.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Doesn't go in his favor.
Bad position for Changran Koren. And will it be a matter of time? It's less than a minute.
Oh man.
He's flattened him out. He's in a bad way. He might look for America
like,
now on that arm.
It's like Changran Koren getting a taste of his own medicine.
I mean, again,
exactly the same manner that he fights it.
He gave up. He lost position there, and now Changran back on top.
He's got
it's
his
so
arms
back
stuck.
and forth. Oh, he's looking for a dash choke there. He's got his arm underneath. He's locked it on the bicep. Has he locked it on the bicep yet? There you go.
Oh.
He's got that. He's got a front choke. He might have it. He's got a dash choke.
Oh!
10 seconds.
This could be it.
10 seconds.
This could be
Can
it.
he survive for 10 seconds?
Oh man.
Just 10 seconds. He's got a little bit of. I think he's okay.
Oh!
No,
saved
he's
by the
okay.
bell.
Saved by the bell.
Saved by
man.
the bell.
Man. Oh,
back
man.
and forth. Back and forth.
But
man.
But the Changran Koren poured in his everything into that because he's taking a very, very long time to get up and go back to his corner. I don't think Changran Koren needs to be able to look at Mark Goddard so smartly saying he needs to be able to walk back to his corner.
Let's look at the action replay.
Just missed with that counter right, and that's what caused the slip back and forth.
That
in the
could
corner.
have been over.
Man, it was a tight DAS attempt, but that was then he lost position. He was too high on the back, gave up position, but Ravindra Dutt doesn't seem to be too affected by this. Those elbows again, I think, Changran it's the amount of punishment
damaged
he's
at the
taking.
moment. Changran definitely is
precisely,
damaged.
that's the right way of saying it.
And
He's
that's
damaged.
the choke that he locked in.
He
and
chopped
he
in
gave
the
it a-
DAS. He turned the right way. He needed to come in a little closer, but Dutt defended it so perfectly, creating just the right amount of space, knowing that there was 10 seconds to survive in the round. I mean, look at this. Ground control for Ravindra Dutt, 1 minute, 23 total strikes in just round number 2. We need to check round number 1. So round 1 is definitely above 100.
Don't do this to me. Don't do it.
A bit of scolding here by Mark Goddard.
But that's the Mark Goddard style. He's scolding everybody.
Let's go! Round number 3, ladies and gentlemen. This is the main event, and it's going to decide who walks home.
It just matters now who has more in the gas tank, because Changran normally, who is so strong and who's got such a good gas tank, he's taken so many shots. The way he's moving is weird. I mean, he's
a little bit slow for sure. I mean, a little bit is an understatement. He's slow for sure.
I mean, you can see he's gassed. You can see the reversal that happened there. It seemed academic here. And the way he escaped, Ravindra Dutt just backed up and pulled out. I'm surprised Ravindra Dutt let him up. Oh, stuck him. Oh, he hurt him with that one. But man, what a chin on Changran Koren. He's still in it. But there's only so many shots that the human skull can take.
Oh,
another big one. Another big hand. Ravindra Dutt opening up. Just missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt. He's hurt. He's out.
This could be
he
it.
is out. We have a new champion. Ravindra Dutt has pulled off the upset. And the Soma team is going
This could be the biggest upset in the history of Indian MMA.
I talked about it and said that this will be the first real test for Changran Koren, and he saw it. He was beaten. His camp, of course, a great attempt. He's a great champion. He gave it his all. My heart goes out to Changran Koren, but oh my goodness. Round number 3, the barrage of strikes that started it all. Let's take a look at the replays, because Ravindra Dutt did it. he did it. He said it, and Rahul, like you said, he manifested it, and he made it happen.
So Rabindra manifested it for the fans who are watching us. Rabindra's team made a video. It's a rap song with an animation, shows the entire life story of Rabindra Dhad, from him breaking stones for a living to taking up MMA and then finally knocking out Chungren Koren. Man, this is manifestation, nothing else.
I mean, you know,
you work hard, work in the right direction, have your right team, have the right team in place, and you can deliver the biggest surprise.
No, I'm talking about the fact that we knew somewhere that this was going to be his first real test. He talked, and his corner was right. He took on an aging Agasa, who was way past his prime.
He took on the aging Chaitanya Gavli. He took on, again, Kantaraj was not in his prime.
No, Kantaraj's prime was in 2016. I mean, today, Kantaraj with Mohammad Farhad as well. This was the first fighter who was on his level, and he proved that it wasn't.
And as I said,
it's
another Chungren Koren fighting Chungren Koren.
I mean,
it's like Superman versus Superman.
Stellar performance. It was a stellar performance. I mean, we got referee Jim Perdius next to me. What a fight, right? I mean, I can't even begin to stress. We have a new champion. Sonam Zamba did the business tonight, and now Chungren Koren, you can see. I mean, the doctors are checking on him. His corner is checking on him to check if he's okay. He will live to fight another day. This is part of the sport, winning and losing. But man, this was Rabindra Dhad's moment, and he did it. Incredible.
Well, the bantamweight belt initially went to Pakistan. Ulumi earned it at MFN 10 after defeating Dhruv Chaudhary. And then later he had to vacate the title. Chungren Koren came up, won the title, and tonight Rabindra Dhad has made history in Indian MMA and in the MMA history of Nepal to be the first ever
I met his corner
fighter from Nepal to win a title at Matrix Fight Night. Look at that! Look at that finish. Drop Chungren Koren.
There you go. That was the end.
Man.
It was over.
This is the biggest upset of the evening and the only knockout that we see at MFN 17.
You got your knockout.
We've been waiting for a knockout and Rabindra Dhad does it in fashion.
It's the way he did it. He broke him down, and to do that to Chungren Koren says something, that he came in with a game plan. They knew what they were doing.
Well, it could be overconfidence as well.
No. You know what? Chungren Koren is such a solid fighter.
You can't replace a skill with anything else.
It's not like it's not like Chungren Koren got just suddenly flash knocked out. He broke him down in his manner. He broke him down with a barrage of strikes over and over again. He tired him out. He hurt him constantly. It was incredible. And Chungren Koren is in no. I think it's okay. He's going to let him walk out on his own. The stretcher is not needed right now. But man, oh man, it's a scary moment whenever we see a fighter take that kind of punishment. It's a scary moment when we see. And quickly, let's go for the final decision. For one last time, Jared Kyle, give us the decision in the cage.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Mark Goldart called the stop of this fight after 54 seconds of round 3 for your winner by knockout and the new MFN Bantamweight World Champion, Rabindra Dhad!
You know, I say this over and over again. If there are two title fights, both